Now we have another variation on corn on the cob. Take your corn, you need butter, we're going to need salt, pepper, and garlic. Also need tin foil. What we have to do is go ahead and husk the corn. Just peel all the different layers off. Make sure you get all the silk as well. And then just break the end off. You're going to discard that in the trash. Now we're going to put the corn in the tin foil. We're going to add some butter to it, about 2 tablespoons, and roll it around, coat it nice and well. We're going to add some salt, add some garlic. You can also use fresh garlic if you'd like, but for this we're just going to keep it simple. Add some pepper, roll it around in there. Then you're just going to fold it in half to keep all the butter in there. That way it'll cook evenly. We're going to cook it about 25 minutes on 450 degrees.